In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about a new business venture. How, in a very simple way, you can start a profitable business doing encapsulation carpet cleaning, or if you are an existing carpet cleaner, how encapsulation can really impact your bottom line in a very profitable and simple way. Stay tuned. I'm excited to share this with you today, how you can start a new business or add on to an existing business very profitably and in a simple way. I'm going to share with you how you can run a business that will easily generate over $300 per hour. Now, don't turn off the video and say this is a get-rich-quick scheme, because it's not. I'm going to show you how very consistently and how simply it's possible to achieve those numbers. And when I say over $300 per hour, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Now, the investment up front, let's just get that out of the way. You're looking at buying an encapsulation machine, whether it's a Cymex machine, an orbital machine, a CRB, cylindrical brush machine. These machines sell for $3,500 is the price range today. Some of them are a little less expensive. For example, CRB machines come in a bit lower than that, but let's just kind of earmark $3,500 for our machine. If you need to buy a vehicle, well, that adds on to the cost as well. You could pick up a decent used van for $15,000 if you needed a vehicle. Perhaps you've already got something that will get your machine to the job site. But for the equipment side of things, we're looking at $3,500. So not a lot of money up front to generate the kind of money that we're going to be sharing with you now. The encapsulation system. Encapsulation cleaning, for example, with the Cymex machine runs 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour. Our other machines, our orbital machines, cylindrical brush machines, come in just a little shy of that, but they're coming up to the 2,000 square foot per hour range very comfortably. So when we say 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour, that's extremely doable. That's what we see. In fact, we see some folks in the industry will rate these numbers much higher than that. They'll say 4,000 square feet and so forth, but we prefer clear, factual numbers that we know are consistent. So 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour, pushing the Cymex on the carpet is doable. Encapsulation cleaning is simple. You simply pre-vacuum the carpet, because the largest component of soil in carpet is dry soil. Then we go after what's sticking to the fiber with our encapsulation scrubber. And using a good encapsulation detergent like Release It, the soil is broken away from the fiber. It's now in the fluid that dries brittle, because our polymerized detergent crystallizes as it dries. That fractures away from the carpet, and the encapsulated soil then comes out during the normal routine of post-vacuuming. What you'll see immediately is the carpet that had been dirty, drab, dingy looking will pop. It will look bright and clean immediately. The soil will be displaced from the visible surface of the carpet. It will look clean. The customer is going to love it, and the carpets will stay clean longer, because that crystallizing polymer will actually resist soil. Plus, Release It detergents have a built-in soil retardant component as well. So that's a basic, very quick overview of how the process works. Now, again, let's look at some numbers. 2,000 to 3,000 square feet per hour. Let's cut that right down the middle and say 2,500 square feet per hour. Now, what are carpet cleaners charging around the country for commercial carpet cleaning? The average today is ranging between 20 cents to 25 cents, and there are plenty of cleaners that are going well over 25 cents per square foot, but we're going to say 20 cents to 25 cents per square foot, and that is a pretty good average for commercial carpet cleaning today. So if we took our Cymex machine, which is 2,000 to 3,000, and cut that right down the middle, let's say 2,500 square feet per hour, and the low dollar of 20 cents a square foot, that comes out to $500 per hour. Now you can begin to see what we're talking about when we talk about the serious money that you can make with a good encapsulation business. $500 per hour is very doable, and it's simple. You don't need to train technicians extensively. It's a very simple process. They simply go out there and push the machine. It walks in a straight line. We make a wet pass followed by a dry pass. Overlap slightly and do our next wet pass, dry pass. It's that simple. Let's just say that you really are in a place where you had to come up crazy low on the price. Let's say you're doing it at 15 cents a square foot at 2,000 square feet per hour. You'd be making $300 per hour. Now, can you understand why I said at the beginning of the video, $300 per hour or more? These are consistent numbers that you can achieve with a good encapsulation system. So we're talking about numbers that are easily in the $300 to $500 per hour range. Let's just kind of cut that down the middle. Let's say that you're averaging $400 per hour in your encapsulation business. If you worked only 3 hours per day, that would be $1,200 per day that you'll be generating. If you worked 5 days a week, that would be $6,000 per week. If you just worked 50 weeks a year and took 2 weeks off for vacation, that would be $300,000 per year that you generate with a single encapsulation setup. But what if you had multiple Encap vehicles on the road? What if you had multiple Encap machines on the road? You can quickly see how this can become a very significant business. Encapsulation cleaning opens up some great opportunities. So we want to encourage you to consider adding encapsulation to your existing cleaning business if you're not doing it yet. Or for a startup business, it's a really great way that you could begin to grow that business while you're doing something else. In other words, while you're working in some other venture, you can add these jobs on the side and very quickly grow that business to the point that it's a self-reliant enterprise. Now, for a commercial carpet cleaning business, we encourage you to market this a little differently than traditional carpet cleaning. Traditional carpet cleaning, you're a carpet cleaner, you do residential, and you might do tile and grout and a number of other services. It's very good, though, we've found from experience that if you can market specifically to commercial customers, it gives you an angle, it gives you an edge when it comes to your marketing. So in other words, you'd build that onto your website and flyers, marketing material, really specifically niche commercial, and then get out there and do some demos, make some proposals, and show your prospective customers what you're capable of. It's really not that hard to sell these accounts. Now, if you'd like to look at our channel, Encap TV, we have 7 videos that we produced on how to market commercial customers. I will add the links to that series of videos below, which will help you get established and get started. I'll also put links to the equipment below, the various encapsulation machines, so that you have an idea what you're looking at, so you can really look at raw facts. I also want to mention that we have financing. If you're starting up a business, it'll be a great opportunity. We've got financing, a variety of different leasing and finance options. I'll put a link to our finance page below on this video too. So hopefully these ideas will give you something to look at that will be simple and practical to expand your existing business or start a new business. And please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We've helped countless carpet cleaning companies around the country and even in other countries become successful in encapsulation carpet cleaning. In fact, what we do here at Excellent Supply, we want to help you max your Encap. That's what it's all about. So thank you for watching this episode. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel and share your comments below too. If you have any questions or you just need some additional help, that's what we're here for. So again, thanks for watching and have a great day.